Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm showing to you how to set ChatGPT as your default search engine in Chrome, Edge, and more for faster answers. Typically, when you want to use ChatGPT, you either use its app or visit its website, but you can also set ChatGPT as the default search engine in your browser so you receive ChatGPT's response to your query instead of Google search result. The process of making ChatGPT your default search engine in Google Chrome is quite simple. First, you need to click open browser and click on three dot, click on extension and click on the second one, visit Chrome Web Store. Now here switch to extension and search here for ChatGPT. ChatGPT, press enter. Now scroll down and find this one, chatgpt.com. Click on this extension and now first I want to remove this from my Chrome because this extension is already added in my browser. So now you need to click on add to Chrome this extension, ChatGPT search. Click on add to Chrome and here also select add extension to my browser. You will see now pop-up notification here. Okay, like this, ChatGPT search has been added to Chrome. So now after this, if you search something in your browser, you will receive ChatGPT response instead of Google search result. Like here you can see, search ChatGPT to or type a URL. After this, you will receive ChatGPT response in this browser. So if you want to switch back to Google search result, you need to click on three dots, click on extension, manage extensions. Here you can see all added extension to your browser and to remove this extension from Google. After this, you will receive your Google search result in your browser. Thank you for watching.